Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network tutorial. In this video, we are going to explore Trailblazer Quest. Trailblazer Quest, new skills, fun prizes. So what is it? Trailblazer Quest on Salesforce Trailhead is a unique way to learn Salesforce skills, complete challenges and win prizes. So Trailblazer Quest is a platform where we can enhance our skills and also win prizes after completing the badges and super badges. It is an initiative by Salesforce Trailhead platform designed to make learning in engaging and rewarding way. It combines skills building challenges with excitement of prize winning opportunities to keep users motivated as they learn. It is an ideal for everyone looking to boost their Salesforce expertise as Salesforce admins as well as Salesforce developers. So it is giving a platform where we can enhance our skills in a fun way learning and also getting the prizes. So let's start a quest today and become a part of Trailblazer community. So let's log into our Trailhead account. So to log in with trailhead.salesforce.com account, first we need to type trailhead.salesforce.com in the URL of any browser. Hit the enter button. So here we are seeing the Trailhead page. So let's log in to the Trailhead account. So at the right side we are seeing login, and here are the ways to get logged in. So experiences, under this we are seeing Trailhead. So it is giving the opportunity access Trailhead, your Trailblazer profile, community, learning, original series, events, supports and many more. So just click on Trailhead. So there are ways to get login with Trailhead account. So by the Google or MuleSoft or Tableau, or with the Salesforce account as well we can get logged in. So we are going to log in with Salesforce account. So already we have a Salesforce account. So here by providing the username and password, hit the login button. So we are landing with our default page trailhead.salesforce.com. So this is the home page of Trailhead. At the top left corner we are seeing the Salesforce logo, products, industries, customers, learning, support, company, Salesforce Plus. Here we are getting a search box. If anything we need to search related to Trailhead, we can search here. Then here we are seeing a phone icon. So contact us by phone. This is the number. Online, contact sales, support and Trailhead. At the top right corner we are seeing the profile. So this is the account name, logout, profile, settings, favorite, messages, hands-on org, products, Salesforce, marketing cloud. Then below this we are able to see Trailhead today. Then there is a learn. Grow your Salesforce expertise by trials. So follow guided learning paths with trials, modules, learn new skills in bite-sized units, projects Get hands-on with step-by-step instructions by doing the projects. Trial mixes. Create and follow custom learning playlist by trial mixes. Other learning tools. Trailblazer Quest. Learn new skills and win fun prizes by doing the Trailblazer Quest. Trailhead mobile app. Skill up anytime, anywhere. Instructor led training. Learn directly from experts. So, these are the things provided by the Trailhead platform to learn new skills and also win the prizes. So let's click on Trailblazer Quest. So here we are seeing a notification, free Agent Force workshop and AI certifications. Learn more. Terms and conditions apply. So for now, Salesforce is providing a free AI Associate certification up to end of 2025. So if anyone is interested to do AI certification associate, they can go with this link. This is providing all the details related to AI associate certification. Also, if someone needs the detail, check out our previous video. So today we are going to see Trailblazer Quest. So it is for learning new skills with fun prizes. Join the learning adventure. Trailhead is the free online learning platform from Salesforce. It is the fun way to learn in-demand skills. So what are the skills that are coming newly in the market we are able to see on the Trailhead platform. While learning is its own reward, there's always room for a little extra motivation. Trailblazer Quest combines the challenge of learning new skills with the chance of winning sweet prizes. So, while doing the assignments on a Trailhead platform, we are also learning as well as getting the prizes from Trailhead. So, for that, we need to choose a quest. Quest challenge different skills from beginner to experts. There's a quest for everyone. So, if someone is beginner, for them also a quest, and for the experienced guys also there are a quest. Complete the challenge. Each quest run for a limited period of time and has a specific task for learners to carry out. So any quest which are coming on the Trailhead platform is for limited time period. So we have to complete in that time only. Then we are able to get the prizes. Chance to win. Once you complete a quest, you will be entered for a chance to win fun prizes. See each quest for prize details and official rules. Also, there are rules for winning the prize. All the details are given by that quest itself. Featured quest built with Agent Force quest. So for now, this is the quest. Build your first agent and celebrate your new skills. The first 1000 trailblazers may receive an Agent Force t-shirt. So someone who is completing this quest right away, then there is a possibility to get a chance to win Agent Force t-shirt. So what we have to do in this Agent Force quest? So let's click on this. So here it's opening. So this is a Trailblazer quest built with Agent Force quest. Build your first agent with Agent Force and celebrate your new skills. So it is of 600 points and it is taking approximately 1 hour 31 minutes. So there is a task link, then there is a video to see, and again there is a link. So Agent Blazer blog, join the Agent Blazer community group, Agent Force Agents quick look. So it is of 100 points. Quick start, build your first agent with Agent Force. So it is of 500 points. And there is a link to share. Complete the build with Agent Force quest form. So also we have to fill this form, and after completing all this section it is automatically getting submitted. We no need to submit it separately. Then again coming back to our Trailhead account. So here unlock new skills. So also there are some more activities are given here. Service Blaze Quest AI for customer service. So here also it is providing some swags. Get started with Data Cloud Quest, 10 years with Trailhead Quest, Beginner's Quest, start your Trailblazer journey. Get started as admin. So if someone is new, then they can go with this. Get started as developer quest. So if someone is having developer knowledge, then they can go with this. Get started as field service Blazer quest. Ready set sell quest. So this is also a community badge. Salesforce Google Quest. So this platform is built for learning, and also if someone is completing the particular task at the proper time, then they are getting the swags as well. So if I am scrolling down Road to Ranger and beyond, so here Road to Ranger quest, double star Ranger quest, triple star Ranger quest, 4-star Ranger quest, 5-star Ranger quest, and all-star Ranger quest. Trailblazer quest frequently asked question. So if someone is having the question, they can go with this article. So who are the individuals can get the prizes? So here all the terms and conditions are listed here. Thank you.